Okay, this is the best part. The motherboard. Zenith Extreme. This is for the 1950X Threadripper. Wow, look at that. Nice and shiny.
It's clean.
It's got, what is it, dual channel memory or quad channel memory?
Quad channel memory.
Now, does that mean it has 4 slots, or that's just how they work?
That's how they work.
And then this is for the M2, but we're gonna put the one we have under here. That actually comes off and an M2 goes under there. Oh, this is my favorite stuff. I love stickers and oh, look at that.
Yeah, they give you a nice
wow, that is so nice
variety.
Yeah. And this has all the wires, books, everything we need. Wow, yeah, there's the M2. There's the gigabyte internet card. I don't think we'll use that. Maybe. They give you so much. Oh wow, look at that. Labels, little labels. That's the USB with all the drivers on it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, and then that's my favorite. I'm gonna use that every day. Alright, so now what?
You gotta get the screws to screw the motherboard into the case.
Whoa.
And it's probably heavy. And you gotta put this in there.
It's really nice.
You gotta tilt it so that thing goes. And don't drag it. Usually you tilt that so it goes in, but I don't know.
That's it.
What?
That's it.
Alright. Let's see if the holes line
Yeah,
up.
they lined up.
Yeah, there's only one way to put that in. Did that go in okay?
Yeah, but it didn't up there.
Yeah, but it's not lined up. You gotta move your motherboard. It's gotta be, this is not lined up perfectly. You gotta push it down. There. Now it's lined up. You need to put the corners in first. Well, now that you started that, is there one up there?
The very center I thought would be the best.
Is there one up there?
Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to install our Samsung 960 Pro M.2 SSD. We're going to put this one, we're going to put it underneath this heatsink. So, hold on real quick before the camera stops. This is where we're going to mount the well, these are some LEDs, RGB for that thing, but this is where the M.2 is going to go right here. Okay, so this is the M.2 motherboard stand and screw to put the M.2 SSD drive on the motherboard. It also comes with 2 more for the DIMM2 slot card that, you can put 2 more on. That is our 960 Pro Evo M.2. Oh no. Just 960 Pro M.2. The Evo is the cheaper one.
Right.
This is the Pro. 512 gigabytes.
It's very, very hard to get in because it's a really, really tiny screw.
What's this other thing?
Would help if, what's this? That's the screw to screw it in. This is a stand, like for the motherboard.
Okay. Does it turn?
Yep. But it's really small, so it's hard to get in the hole at first.
That's what she said.
Wow, that's a lot of power in such a small little thing, man.
That's what she said.
So you have, yeah, it's still going. You have to push it in, you have to slide it in until it clicks very gently. And then it'll be like hinged, and you gotta hold it down. Now the screw can easily go in. Much better. Okay, so now we put so like that.
Yeah.
So that's thermal paste or something?
That's
thermal tape?
Thermal tape.
That's thermal tape that we took this sticker off of, and that's gonna keep the SSD M.2 SSD cool.
It's not an SSD. It's an NVMe.
Oh, okay, NVMe. I've heard a lot of people call it an SSD. I guess they're wrong.
No, they're wrong.
But yeah, you should call it an NVMe so there's no confusion. Okay, that's that. That's the M.2. Alright, so now we're doing the memory. 32 gigs, 4 sticks of 8 of Trident ZRGB DDR4 memory. The first two. The other two.
You want to put that memory in before you test.
Look at that.
Is it possible that they changed it so it doesn't matter? Or no?
No, it matters, Ryan.
Oh yeah, I see. When you change it the opposite way, it's completely off. Okay. So the Trident Z goes towards the bottom. And
Yeah, I see. You gotta open them. Only one side opens. Open them both on that side. It's hard to get at. Might have to put a stick in. I'm not crazy about the way the stick is right up against that.
Now, should I hear a click?
Yeah. You gotta put one side. You gotta usually put them in, line it up, and then push both corners. You did that?
Yeah. Okay. So let me. They don't go down or click much.
No, it's not a loud click.
Okay. I have the second one.
You put them in and then put both at once. Don't do one corner and then the
Yeah,
other.
I'm doing it.
Okay, they're in there.
Oh, they got heat sinks on them. That's why.
Yeah.
Heavy both sides.
Yeah, the big black things.
That's what she said.
They're heat sinks.
Jesus Christ.
They're really cool.
Yeah, but that's why it costs so much. It shouldn't. I'd rather have them have no heat sinks.
And the top, these are LEDs.
I know. It's getting there.
Yeah, literally almost done. Imagine it with 64 gigs, 4 more sticks. Alright, so now the only thing left to do is put the tube on, right? The fittings and the tubing and
Yeah.
fill it. Okay. Now we're going to put in the power supply to make sure that it fits. The wires don't, aren't too bent and messed up by this cage. Gonna go through here, and then we're gonna put the fans and the radiator on. We're gonna replace those fans, replace this fan, put the 3 new fans on there, place that in. Maybe even do the Commander Pro and the lighting node and the strips if there's time, but I doubt it. Be using a SeaSonic 850 Platinum. Look at this. They give you all kinds of twist ties now. Oh, we got a new case badge. We'll have to replace that one. Nice bag. Power supply. Holy moly, mother of God. This thing has... Whoa! Whoa! Look at that! Oh my God! Look at the number of connectors. Holy Jesus! It's a hybrid mode switch. What the hell? This is the power supply. Super nice chrome. And you can see there the water block, the hard drives, the front fans. There's also a fan under the pump and reservoir. So yeah, we're gonna mount this beautiful beast right here. First we gotta get the wires on. I'm gonna go with obviously the wall power cable, 24 pin for the motherboard, 2 8 pins for the CPU, 2 PCIe cables, 1 8 pin and 1 6 pin for the 1080 GPU. Then we have 2 4 port SATA. These are for SATA's hard drives and optical cables. Sorry, I had a brain fart. But yeah, 4 on each cable, so 8. Oh, we also need 1 for the Commander Pro and the Lighting Node Pro. So yeah, plus the disk drive, the 3D Blu-ray player, 2 hard drives, and the 3 SSDs. And last but not least, this is a 2 Molex connector, using 1 for the pump and the reservoir. So yeah.